Hello, sweet friend, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Mariana, and I am super excited to reset my home today because I'm flying to Guatemala in a few hours. In today's video, I am resetting my kitchen, making sure my room is tidy, folding some clothing, sharing with you how I hide my money when I'm traveling, and heading over to my friend's house because I have a special gift for her that Matisse sent me, and I cannot wait to share that with you. My friend is a teacher, and in the summer she heads over to her beautiful home in Guatemala, and I cannot wait to share with you a home reset from her beautiful home. Make sure you have your notification bells on so next Sunday you don't miss the home reset, especially from this beautiful country in Guatemala. Guatemala has been on my bucket list for a while, and this trip couldn't come at a better time. I haven't taken vacation in a very long time, and when my friend invited us over, we definitely jumped on the opportunity. Guatemala, it's a beautiful country, rich in culture and food and history, and I cannot wait to share all that with you in my traveling video. I will be leaving the link down below so you can go ahead and hit also the subscribe button for that channel so you could see all the beautiful pictures that I'm taking and the videos that I am creating to share with you. So if you are into traveling and exploring other cultures, make sure you go ahead and check out my other channel. A garden, and my tomatoes here in Jersey have been growing and growing, and the night before I was making tomato sauce and freezing tomatoes, and I was up very late until 1 o'clock, and this is why my kitchen was so messy. We're flying today at 3 p.m. and while I'm filming this video it's about 9 in the morning. I'm also trying to bring all my plants here to the kitchen because my dad is gonna be coming every single day to my home to take care of our 4 dogs and also to take care of my plants and my garden. So tell me, what is the one thing that you must leave done in your home before you travel? Comment below and let me know.
Say something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better. The way that you talk to me.
Here we're in my laundry room, and the last thing I need to fold, I was doing laundry last night, folding and putting everything away, are my hand towels from Dollar Tree. I try my best to be very conscious about our environment, and I picked up about, I want to say a year and a half ago now, these towels at the Dollar Tree, and I use them in the guest bathroom, and every time somebody washes their hands, they use a towel, they dispose them in a bucket, and once the bucket is full, I rewash the towels. And this is my little contribution to Mother Earth, so I don't use as many paper towels. So tell me, what is the one thing that you do in your house? It doesn't have to be big, even if it's something small like recycling the bottles, that you do in your house to make a little contribution to our beautiful earth.
The way that you make me feel, I don't know if you're real.
Here we are in my friend's home, and when Matisse reached over to me for a second time, I was super excited to come and bless my friend, the one that invited us over to Guatemala, with this beautiful kitchen carpet. Matisse Carpet, it's an environmentally friendly company that create carpets that they're not only comfortable, they're also affordable, they have longevity, but most importantly, they're sustainable. These two beautiful carpets, they're the extended length fatigue mat for your kitchen, and they are beautiful. Matisse Company recognizes the environmental impact and excessive waste associated with traditional carpet cleaning, and therefore they have embarked on a mission to devise eco-conscious solutions that reduce chemical usage and mitigate environmental pollution. The carpets are very easy to clean and durable, and I cannot be more happy to bless my friend with these beautiful carpets. I will be linking everything in the description down below, including my discount code.
Gonna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Put you in that spotlight.
Finally, we're here in my room tidying up the bed. I'm also gonna show you how I'm gonna be carrying a little bit of money on the airplane to make sure that it is safe. And you probably do the same thing, and I'm also wondering, where is it that you keep your money when you are traveling? Comment below and let me know. Matthew couldn't believe what I was doing. Matthew is my youngest son, and I said, Matthew, go to Google and research 10 ways that you could carry your money in an airplane to make sure, basically, that no one steals it. So tell me, when you're traveling, where do you hide your money, and how do you store your passport when you are abroad? And also, if you are a traveler, what is the one place that I must visit? It could be anywhere in the world, but I would love to hear from you so I can put it on my bucket list.
Oh, you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful.
And here it is, my sport bras. They all have this hole over here. And for me to carry a little bit of cash on the airplane to make sure I have it ready to exchange it at the airport, I am putting it in my bra. No one is going to tell. I am obviously not carrying more than $10,000, because if you are entering the States or leaving the States, you shall know that you must report that amount of money. But I'm just packing a little bit of cash so I can exchange it at the airport. So as soon as I land, we have some money, some currency from Guatemala, so we could buy ourselves some food and pay for the Uber ride, etc., etc. Friend, from the bottom of my heart, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I cannot wait. I know I said it before, to share the home reset with you next Sunday. And until I come back, thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you from Guatemala.